Today's Food Friday is the sweet chili chicken tacos. This is a toned up recipe, but I am going to put my own twist to it. So let's begin. Here are the ingredients that we need. If you're following their instructions, that is what you'll need. They actually don't have cornflakes on their ingredient list, so you'll have to add that. So today, what we're using: cornflakes, chicken breast, soft tortillas, whatever flavor you like best, eggs, little tiny cherry tomatoes, and then lettuce, and whatever spices. So it says here that we're going to be using Cajun seasoning and sweet chili sauce. I don't have either. So I am going to use honey, which isn't actually shown here because I'm heating it up, but we're going to mix honey with these ingredients. So we have black pepper, we have sea salt, we have smoked ghost pepper sea salt, celery salt, and chili habanero, green habanero pepper hot sauce. And this is what I'm going to do. So I'm going to mix this with the honey, and that's going to be my sweet chili sauce. And follow along for today's recipe. I'm so excited for Taco Tuesday. Make sure you grab yourself a beer or a fake beer or whatever drink you want to celebrate Taco Tuesday. So take your chicken breast and cut it into some like nice 1-inch wide strips. Okay, so you can cook yours in an air fryer or an oven. We're just going to pan fry the chicken first. So start with some oil of your choice. We're using extra virgin olive oil. Well, that looks so cool. And then some chili flakes to make it like sweet chili, right? Because like honey, there, whoa, real chili. Now we're gonna put all these spices into the crushed cornflakes. It's a little spoon. Should I cut them like thirds? Do I dice them? Yeah, probably like this. Hey? Okay, it's not in here, and I really wish I would have thought of this sooner. Avocado would be so good on these chicken tacos. So you should definitely do avocado if that's your thing. I know it's not Tone It Up approved, but we're gonna do some cheese. My tummy. Now, if you have an oven or whatever you want to do, warm up your soft tortillas. We're just gonna lightly warm them up in the frying pan. You good? Mm-hmm. Hopefully this works. We're skipping the egg. I'm sure you guys could tell. I don't know. Probably should have crushed those up a little more. There's one. And we're gonna rinse and repeat, I guess. Yeah, I think if it was more like a finely coat. It is okay. It is okay. You gotta just do your best. pretty much the same. I topped mine off with a little bit of sour cream. For a low-fat option, you can do like non-flavored plain Greek yogurt if you want, or hot sauce, or whatever you want. And there we have it. Enjoy, guys. Actually, yeah. I like this. I'm probably just gonna eat mine like that.